can't believe how stupid I was when I was first starting out. I had just stumbled onto machine learning and I became really passionate, and I had this huge dream of building big stuff with machine learning. But here's the problem. I was unable to get my resume shortlisted in any company. Yep, because I was doing so many things wrong in my resume and I didn't have a mentor to help me out here. But I am here for you guys. So I'm confident that you guys will build the perfect resume to help you land a machine learning job in 1 to 2 weeks. Hey guys, I am Srimanti and I'm currently working as a machine learning engineer at a top US startup in remote. I'll cover every section in my resume point by point, all the projects I did, all the skills I acquired, and the little extra things I added or removed that made my resume ATS friendly. I'll also tell you what tweaks I did to my resume to land specifically a remote job. It's subtle, but it really helps. Plus, there's a surprise for you at the end. I'm doing a giveaway of 100 plus fully solved end-to-end machine learning, AI, NLP, DL projects completely free. So definitely watch till the end. First thing is, obviously you need to add a picture of yourself in your resume. Yeah, without it 100% of the resumes get rejected, trust me. It need not be this big, but a tiny one works and is absolutely essential. Next comes your personal details. I have seen so many resumes without phone number, email, GitHub link, LinkedIn link. That's so important, all 4 of them. Now very important, do not add a summary section. It's useless and recruiters hate that. It's like duplicating vital info already present in your resume. You do not want to waste any space. Resume is recommended to be 1-pager only, but it can be 1.5 pages at most. I had 1.5 pages for my resume and it was all good, so up to you, but 1 page is generally preferred. Now use LaTeX to generate your resume. Fine-tune it, add fonts, effects, etc. LaTeX is a good skill to have, at least for curating the perfect resume. It's professional to use LaTeX over anything else. I used Overleaf LaTeX, which is completely free. Next comes your education section. Include your CGPA only if it's greater than 8.5, else skip it. Recruiters or AI will see GPA less than 8.5 and directly reject your resume. Instead, don't put it if GPA is really low. Now, the immediate next section should be work experience. Yes, not projects, not skills, not anything else, but work experience. I'm going to tell you a hack if you do not have any work experience. This is a research project that I had done under a professor and it really helped me to land my ML internship role. In machine learning, it's absolutely essential that you have a prior tech internship to showcase on your resume. For machine learning, you need to learn really good Python skills. I recommend programming with Mosh playlist and doing 5 to 10 Python projects. Once that is done, immediately apply for a remote part-time Python internship on LinkedIn. That can be in your work experience. Remember, directly getting a machine learning job as a fresher, and that to a high-paying one, gets much easier if you have prior tech internships on your resume using the skills that are needed in machine learning. For machine learning, you need to complete this specific certification, machine learning specialization, immediately after learning Python. And this includes all the math you need for machine learning as well. Those are linear algebra, calculus, probability, statistics. If you get stuck in any maths, just go through Stanford online course for that topic and it's enough to understand it. So Python, maths, coding or DSA and machine learning, these are the most important things you need to become a machine learning engineer. Rest are add-ons. Yes, DSA is very important. So just go through Geeks for Geeks and solve Striver's DSA sheet or blind 75 lead code problems. Keep giving lead code contests as you parallelly learn machine learning. Do not waste your time. And as you cover approximately 50% of DSA, start applying for software engineering internship on LinkedIn and well found. You will be able to get one, be it paid or unpaid. Do it part-time and add to your resume in your work experience. Another amazing way is to learn agentic AI concepts, RAG, fine-tuning, MCP agents from this playlist and directly apply for AI engineer roles. If you get one, add to your resume for the ultimate machine learning engineering role that you are targeting after graduation. Add at least 2 work experience internships or jobs in your resume. Both should be related to tech, nothing else. Non-tech roles do not contribute for becoming a machine learning engineer. For me, I had previously worked at AlphaGraph Securities, which is a big quant firm, which was an amazing experience. And I had also previously worked at Google as software engineering intern, which definitely helped me land my first machine learning internship at TurboML. So now once this section is covered, next you have to add projects. Projects are the section that's going to catch the eye of the recruiters, and your projects should be awesome. We had done quite a few machine learning projects, mainly under the guidance of my professor, who is amazing, and I had ranked 9 in the competition we had. That definitely sparked a lot of conversation in my first machine learning interview. This brings me to my next point. If you don't have good projects by professors or good assignments in your college or major or minor projects by the college itself, use Kaggle hackathons to get good projects. So this is basically Kaggle, where they host a ton of competitions and you can basically find all of your projects that you want to do, good real world projects, and you can add to your resume from here. So let me give you a demo of how to do that. Suppose you are learning a topic called regression. So you're going to search in here and you're going to find the competition which is the best among all of this. This seems good. So this is Stanford RNA 3D folding part 2. And this one has like a good overview as well, and it has data. This is an ongoing competition, so you can join the competition and do this, and you already know it's going to be a part of regression. So you can see how they have done. This is the data set. You can download the data set, and there are people who have already submitted, and you can see their work here, and you can understand what they have done. There's a discussion going on as well here, and there's leaderboard. Just submit here and you will see your scores coming here. And if it's a good enough score and if you are able to solve it, if you have some insights on it, you can spark discussions on LinkedIn. So I would highly recommend to solve these and to add a demo link to GitHub in your resume as well as on LinkedIn, and also post on LinkedIn. There is also another awesome source of projects I can give access to. It's the 100+ high quality amazing projects by Educative.io. As you can see here, the list is endless. And all of them involve machine learning concepts, data science concepts, AI concepts, deep learning, NLP. All are fully solved end-to-end projects. I am affiliated to it, and I can guarantee that I promote only the websites that I use daily and are actually authentic and useful. So you can trust me on this. And I am doing a giveaway right now to 3 people, fully free educative subscription. So to increase your chances, definitely comment if you're interested and what you are going to exactly use it for. I'll select 3 winners and announce the winners in the next post. This is honestly once in a lifetime opportunity, so most definitely apply. This is basically all the projects I did. So machine learning, I implemented all of them, and then they had a competition that I had ranked 9. So this printout doesn't have the link, but this had a link. You should add a link always. This was a parallel distributed programming I did. There was an operating system kernel. Trading app simulator, basically I built an LSTM model with SQL backend, which really helped me for landing my ML engineer role and to clearing my basics. And this was ARM processor, multiplayer game stimulation. Important hack or trick that helped me a lot is I used to post on LinkedIn whenever I completed any project. And that's exactly how I landed my first machine learning interview. They communicated to me via LinkedIn and set up an interview for me, which definitely helped me a lot to land my current machine learning engineer role. So I highly recommend posting on LinkedIn a demo of your project. Add your GitHub link. This method especially helps if you're applying off campus. Next section is skills. This is a very, very important section. First, add all the languages that you are fluent in. Mine was and still is C++, Python, and Java. Next comes all the Python libraries. These are super important for machine learning engineer role. NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn, PyTorch. These should be good enough. I have got full playlists for all of these machine learning libraries. Definitely check them out. One more important skill you should add is SQL. I work with SQL and databases a lot in my current machine learning engineer role, so I highly recommend learning SQL and adding to your resume. You can learn SQL from this YouTube video of Free Code Camp. It's really good. Just solve some SQL questions from this Gate Smashers playlist. It's one of my top favorites, and definitely add to your resume. Next comes Git skills, which is again a must for any engineering role. These are all the scholastic achievements I had: Endowment Merit Scholarship, Semester Merit Award, Department Rank, perfect grade in almost all of the CS courses, and then there were others, KVPY, NTSC, etc. And this is the extracurricular activities that I had participated in. Good to add. I had been a part of the Algorithms and Coding Club, where I had made a lot of, built a lot of challenging problems, and I also was an academic mentor of BSW for our course, and also I volunteered to do some social service. It's good to add all these things.